72 divided by 6 using partial quotient. First, put your 6 on the outside, your 72 on the inside, and write out your multiplication facts if you need them. I'm also going to write out our steps. Does McDonald's serve real cheese? All right. So our first step is to divide starting in our biggest place value. If we had 7 cupcakes and we had 6 people, everyone could only get 1 cupcake. But that 1 is in the tens place. Then we're going to multiply. 10 times 6 is 60. Next, let's subtract. 72 minus 60 is 12. Then we're going to repeat back to division. So we know that we're now in the ones place, but we have some leftovers that we need to use. So what's the closest we could get to 12 without going over? Yeah, that's 12. We got that by skip counting 2 times. So now let's multiply. 2 times 6 is 12. Then we'll subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0. Then we would repeat. Do we have any place values left to repeat with? No, we already used our ones place. So let's check. Is 0 smaller than 6? Sure is. 0 is nothing left over. So our answer would just come from right here. It would be 12.